guys, this is Joy. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm just gonna share you my simple recipe of how to make my very own stir-fry noodles. So over here guys, I have very simple ingredients. So you can have your meat. This is very optional. You can use beef, pork, or anything, fish, even fish, yes. But today I'm just gonna use some chicken tenders, okay? And you can also chop it up, and I'm about to chop those a little bit. And also I have some cabbage here, fresh cabbage, and we also have some mushrooms. There you go. And we also have, sliced mushrooms there. And also we have some bell pepper, green and red. There you go. And also some asparagus, leftover asparagus guys, that I have in my fridge. So I think any leftover vegetables you have left that it's gonna get bad soon, I think it's really good to make some easy stir-fry noodles. Also I have some onions here and some minced garlic. Also don't forget, you need to have the most important part of the ingredients is the noodle. I'm just going to show you that this is I'm going to use. So you can always use any kind of stir-fry noodle, but I saw this in the market and I thought I should give it a try. Alright? Okay. Alright guys, we're going to start now. So I'm going to go add the olive oil. You could choose, you could use any kind of oil, vegetable oil. guys. There is yakisoba. Is it good, Era?
Yep.
Ooh.
I was walking with the